Hello friends, welcome to the series Various Aspects of Chandrapur Court. In this particular episode, we will see the legal legend K. M. Kaushik, who was born on 12th of November 1905 in district of Mysore. In 1924, he passed his matric exam. In 1929, he obtained BSc Honours degree. After this, in 1931, he obtained MSc degree from Nagpur Science College, and in 1934, he obtained LLB degree. He started his practice in Chandrapur Court and then practiced for next 35 years. He was a very studious and a hard-working advocate. He had an excellent command over English language. In short period, he established himself as an excellent lawyer in Chandrapur. From 1952 to 1962, he was district government leader and public prosecutor. He had a great interest in politics. So he contested for the member of parliament in 1964, but he got defeated. Once again, in 1967, he contested for member of parliament, and this time he was elected. Due to his studious nature, he participated in the various proceedings of parliament, and soon his was known by everybody in parliament. There is one particular story about it. When he was the member of parliament, he was on Nagpur station waiting for a train to go to Delhi. At that time, DCP of Nagpur, Mr. Padmanabhan, and one divisional police inspector insulted him in spite of knowing that he was a member of parliament. This particular incident was told in the parliament, and as a consequence, there was a motion moved in the parliament. This particular DCP, Padmanabhan, and that officer were called in the parliament, and they had to tender their apology to Mr. Kaushik in front of everybody. Law college started in Chandrapur. Advocate Kaushik, after seeing the entire curriculum and then the books available for sale, felt that there is no exhaustive book on interpretation of statutes. So he wrote the book on interpretation of statutes for the benefit of the students. The book was published by Honorable Justice Chandrasekhar Dharmadhikari in presence of Dr. A. Lakshminath. He was professor at Chandrapur Law College when his age was 96. On 25th of November 2004, he left for his heavenly abode when his age was 99. Team Hammurabi Tablet salutes him. Thank you.